Hey YouTube, welcome back to our channel, World of Woolcott. We are unboxing today with Sophia.
Wait, Pet LOL.
Pet LOL, limited edition. Yes, so it's the Year of the Tiger, LOL Pet. Never seen these, don't know what it is. Also, new beanie from our website, www.worldofwoolcott.com. Go check it out. All right. Ooh. Good Wishes Tiger. Now, does everybody get the same one? I do not know. I guess it's a sticker. What is this? All right, shoes.
It's just a thing there.
Yeah.
I thought about them all.
Yeah. We got some red shoes. Some glasses. Yep. I don't know what those are. Keep going. Okay. Okay, come on. Juice box. Thank you. Don't need it.
Oh.
Nice little purse. Don't need it. And the tiger. All right. Yes, I don't know what that is. So, here's the tiger. I like her hair. We'll get her shoes on. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.